What's up, ladies and gents? I'm Joaquin with JCC Adventures, and today we're once again working on the truck. So today I'm going to be installing a tailgate switch and some bed lights, because I need some lights in the bed so whenever I open up the tailgate I'll be able to see whatever I have in there. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Hopefully it goes well, and I'll walk you guys through it, so stay tuned. Alright, so next up, we gotta hook up the negative lead of the lights to our tailgate switch. I don't know why, but I hooked on these eyelids or eyelet holes to connect it before, but I think I'm gonna have to take those off and hook one up the negative side to our tailgate switch, and then the positive side I'm gonna hook up to this fuse box here. So this is just a fuse box that has a positive input and a negative input, so I can connect, if you can see, the top here is for the negative, and then you can get your fuses here. I'll show you guys a little bit more here in a minute, but yeah, I'm gonna hopefully hook that up maybe around here somewhere. I'm not sure, haven't really decided yet. I also want to put a section like this. I don't know if you can see that, but it's going to be a voltmeter, a USB socket there, and then a 12-volt socket there. So I want to put that in as well. I don't know where to put it, so I may try and make a box out of wood or something. So yeah, I'm going to try that. Alright, so I'm going to be putting this switch right, I don't know, figure right around there somewhere. So then the nice thing is this is actually adjustable. You can see it's got little ribs there. There we go. So I can cut it to the length that I want. So we'll drill some holes and go from there. Alright, we're going to start with the pilot hole and then work our way up to a little bigger bit. So hopefully it'll fit the hole. Look at that, it actually fits. There. Like that. That might just work. I think that's gonna work. I might just have to trim one end off just a little bit, and I think we're good. Alright, well, a little bit of an issue. I ended up cutting off that the tip there. I ended up cutting off just one, and I went to close the tailgate and it broke off the rest of it. So what I'm gonna have to do is probably just have one piece, one section, and then glue that back on to the switch. Hopefully that works, but I definitely underestimated how much the tailgate actually goes in. So yeah, small snafu there, but hopefully I'll fix it and hopefully it'll work. Alright, well, I super glued it. Finally got the super glue to work, but hopefully this works. So hopefully it's the right length. It's kind of hard to tell because when you close it you can't really see in there, so but hopefully this works. And yeah, alright, got all the wiring, all the lights kind of set up where I want them, and then I got this here. It's gonna go on the, come on, focus there. Put some shrink wrap on it, make it look professional. That's gonna go on the tailgate switch, and that I'm going to put on right now. So here goes. Alright guys, I got it kind of jimmy rigged right now. I have my battery pack hooked up to the ground, and then this other one hooked up to the wire, and I don't know if you can see that, but there's no lights on right now. And we go to boom, there we go. We have lights. So super exciting. And then you can see lights are on. Close the tailgate. No more lights. So that's super exciting. So all I got to do now is get power into the bed, into my fuse box, and I got a piece of wood. I don't know where my piece of wood went. It's somewhere. I'll find it here in a minute. But where I'm going to actually mount the fuse box and hopefully some other electrical stuff. So here goes. Alright, so here's the wire that I'm going to be using as old, what was it? It was a, not an extension cord, jumper cables. Old jumper cables that I had, and the wall is like super thick, so I'm not worried about it rubbing on anything and like shorting out. So I put some eyelets on it. This one's going to go to the battery, and then this one's going to come through, hopefully, in the back there to our fuse box. So I got to route that underneath the truck, probably on the frame rail, from my secondary battery here all the way to the back. Well, you guys might be wondering why I'm going through all this trouble just to get some lights in the back for my tailgate. But the nice thing is that I have a big enough cable that I can power all kinds of stuff. So I'm probably going to power my air compressor and a what's the other thing, an inverter. So I have a 750 watt inverter that I'm going to run back here, so I'm going to have plenty of juice with that cable. I probably won't run all of it off of this fuse box, but I'll definitely have probably another. I mean, I have my board here where I still have some room down here that I can put some connectors there, and I'll connect my air compressor and my inverter. So right now I'm back to the middle of the truck with my cable, so hopefully I have enough room to reach all the way up and then in to the back here. Hopefully I have enough slack to get there, so we'll see how that goes. I got the main wire all set up. Show you that. There it is. Right now I got the meter on there. It's running about 0.8 amps running the lights. So, and then I go and hit that button, it turns off the lights, and then it's not drawing any current on it. It's drawing 0.0004. So that's not a lot, but yeah, it's pretty nice. So all I got to do now is again set up those lights in more permanent fashion. Make sure the main positive cable going to the secondary battery is all zip tied up and not going to rub anywhere. So, but other than that, things are looking pretty good. This negative wire here, I just went down to the frame and bolted it to the frame. So that's all set. So now all these here, I can have a good ground there, and then I have each positive pole here that I can put in a fuse. So the nice thing is, if you pull out the fuse, the light comes on and it tells you that you got a blown fuse. So that's kind of handy. And yeah, so other than that, set up those lights a little better, and then I'm pretty close to done. Guys, almost forgot to mention, but if you're curious on the fuse box, the tailgate switch, or the actual lights, I'll have those in a link below so you can check them out on Amazon. Alright, so one thing I was unable to set up was this this piece here that has the voltmeter and all the hookups. So I don't really know where to put it, so I may I don't know, I may try and like sneak it underneath or something, or I'm not sure yet, so, but something I want to hook up at some point to have. I don't know if you guys can see this. It might be flickering for you guys with the, hopefully you can see that. But yeah, this would be super nice to set up, but definitely not today, so maybe next time. Alright, so one issue is the stickers. The only one that I found that was kind of remotely close is deck lights. So I may just use that one for, put the sticker there, because obviously the stickers are very important. Alright, I have the lights kind of set where I want them, and the wiring kind of where I want to route it, but except for the back, unfortunately the wire is going to be exposed, so there's not really any way around it. So, and the lights aren't going to be even, like side to side, so see the back ones, not really even, which not ideal, but I can make it work. So what I might do is paint the wires black or something, spray paint over them, just to kind of make them mesh a little bit. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with it. So, and the nice thing is that on the lights on the back part, it's just a 3M sticky double-sided tape. So if I want to redo them later on, I can always do that. So, but other than this, I still gotta clean up this wire, shorten it. But everything else came out pretty nice, so feels pretty good. So I'm super happy about it. Alright guys, well, it's late and I'm tired of working on the truck, so I'm gonna call the video there. Hope you found it informative, just a quick update on what's going on with the truck. So hope you liked the video, like and subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one.